I think that this is the genuine nature of our relationship. It's not a transactory relationship. It's not something that ebbs and wanes. It is something that has been consistent and across the board, from the top down, from the bottom up, the people of Pakistan and the people of China, the government of Pakistan and the government of China, we've worked together consistently. That is why it is famous in Pakistan that our friendship is higher than the Himalayas and sweeter than honey. I think that everybody should, as far as Pakistan and China is concerned, though it's obviously very clear on the policy of one China, but that is something that the international community must not only express in their words, but in their actions. To the critics, I would say that this jealousy doesn't look too good on them. When other people who were not focused on such great initiatives, when they saw the One Belt, One Road not only take off, but take off in such a spectacular manner, they start trying to undermine such projects and such initiatives. But I don't think that they will succeed. We're very grateful to the government of China for the assistance that they have offered in the form of cash assistance or supplies such as tents and other things. But more than that, I'm appreciative of the people of China and the way in which the entire society galvanized to offer assistance. We're really looking forward to this meeting. I think it's going to be a historic event and it'll have an impact within, obviously, your own country, but I think the whole world is waiting to see the developments and the messaging that comes out from this meeting. As far as Pakistan-China relations are concerned, we are forever friends. The people of China and the people of Pakistan will be standing side by side to face the challenges to come.